Hey, Paul T here again. 4 levels of comfort for camping. 1, the old 99 Tahoe works really good for a quick getaway. Weekends, yeah, hey. Throw in a little bed and some groceries and away we go. It's great. Gets me up to my land up north or my land down in Arizona. 2, the 2011 Chevrolet homemade camper. Works very well as well. A whole lot more comfort. Beds, heater, air conditioning, water, you name it. Yeah, good stuff. And more, we go over here. 21 Mallard by Heartland. It's an M210RB rear bath. A couple of propane tanks. I got AC. I got hot water. Blah blah blah. It's a blast. If you want to pay for the camping, I have no solar on this thing. Unlike the truck, we got 800 watts. Yeah. So I just tag along with a little generator. It works great. "21 feet long. I got a 12-foot awning. All kinds of storage. A couple of propane tanks. Wide axle. Yeah, wide tracks. Heating. AC. Steps. Door. It's good stuff. See there, I got sink, stove, I got, yeah, it's kind of a homemade bed, but whatever, it works, yeah, right? Yeah. Great. Rear bath, fridge, got everything we need. But, if that's not enough comfort, my son owns property in Minnesota. And kapow! He let us put this up. 12 by 16. I got heat, AC, comforts of home. Look at this thing. Got a bed, I got a shower, a couple of refrigerators, sink, stove. I got just, it's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Oh yeah, don't forget about kitties. Yeah. Oscar and Mama Cat. Yeah. This works. Home away from home. We just got a place to come and crash, and when we're not out running around with the fun stuff on wheels, we can come here and just, yep, slow things down. Hot water. It's got everything. What else? I mean, what else does a person really need? You know, we got a little deck to sit on, watch the sunset, plant our garden, or go fishing. Yeah, we can always do that. That's always fun. We do that quite a bit in the summertime. Wintertime, I don't do much ice fishing. This year we didn't have much ice to begin with, so yeah. Like I say, 12 by 16 works really good. So we got a little bit of comfort, more comfort, much more comfort, and then everything you'd need as if you were at home. Like I said before, thanks for watching.